Pronounced, defined, used in lexical dispatch.
Hirsute, adjective. Hirsuteness, hirsutism, hirsutulous, coarse with hair or bristles, pubescent with coarse stiff hairs, having or covered with hair, haired, hairy. Rotund, adjective. Rotundity, rotundly, rotundness, rotunda. Round, spherical in shape, plump or stout, chubby. Of sounds, full and rich, sonorous, orotund. The hirsute man's beard was so thick and full that it covered most of his face. She admired her partner's hirsute chest, finding it masculine and attractive. The hirsute dog breed was known for its long shaggy coat that required regular grooming. The woman sought medical advice for her hirsutism, which caused excessive facial hair growth. Polycystic ovary syndrome is often associated with hirsutism in women. The endocrinologist prescribed medication to help manage the patient's hirsutism symptoms. The hirsuteness of the gorilla's body was evident in its thick, dark fur. He was self-conscious about his hirsuteness and often wore long-sleeved shirts even in summer. The botanist examined the hirsutulous leaves of the plant, noting the fine, minute hairs covering the surface. The entomologist described the insect's legs as hirsutulous, with tiny, barely visible hairs covering them. The rotund gentleman struggled to fit into their small airplane seat. Her cat had become quite rotund after months of overfeeding. The chef's rotund figure suggested he enjoyed sampling his own creations. He was a slightly rotund man and usually wore a three-piece suit. Visitors gathered in the capital's magnificent rotunda to admire the frescoes. Students often met in the university library's rotunda to study and socialize. The politician's rotundity was often the subject of caricatures in political cartoons. He spoke with a pleasing rotundity of tone that filled the auditorium. The mayor spoke rotundly, his words carrying a sense of importance and gravitas. He rotundly declared his innocence, his voice booming with conviction. The rotundness of his belly suggested a life of indulgence and good food. The rotundness of his cheeks gave him a jovial, friendly appearance.